Ayan, kain tayo guys. Ito yung ating dinner. Meron tayong crab at shrimp. Meron din tayong talbos ng kamote. Ayan. Tapos, chives. Ayan, kay Zach ay broccoli and chicken and rice, of course.
I love the crab.
Guys, meron tayong talbos ng kamote. Ayan. Dahil may na-open ako na, na onions. Nilagay ko na lang yung onion doon kasi kinakain ko naman ng onion. Meron tayong shrimp at crab. Ito yung mga nailagay ko sa sa freezer na nakalimutan ko na. So naglinis ako ng freezer ko. Nakita ko siya kaya yan niluto na natin. Ito masarap to. Itong chives na to. Ito natutunan ko sa China. Masarap siya. Parang herbal. Yan. Try natin tong crab. Sabi ni Zach, pork crab daw. Ayaw daw niyang makita na kainin ko to. Ayan. It's good, baby.
No, I'm a crab. Get revenge.
Why?
I keep eating crab my whole life.
Ayan. Ang sarap. Maano nga lang tong kainin. Meron tayong pang-crack dyan. Pero hindi ko nakakainin yan. Oh. Ito lang yung nasa ano niya. Ayan oh. Ooh. Sarap to. Ang sarap. Ayan, ang sarap nitong chives. Oh.
Why? I hate shrimp anyways. I'm not forgiving shrimp.
No shrimp for you, baby.
I hate shrimp anyways. I love crabs, but I don't like eating them. I like to pet them.
You want to pet them?
I want to keep them as a pet.
Ang butter. Yan. Kabilaan. Kain tayo guys. Ayan, katatapos ni Zach sa basketball. Ayan, kaya ayun pa lang kami kakain. So you're doing good in basketball, Zachary.
Yeah, but I hate that when you eat crabs.
You ate when I eat crabs?
I don't really care. I care about fish, crabs, but not shrimp. I care about eels and turtles and frogs. But I mostly want to eat frogs anyways.
Kain natin sa amin.
It'll turn into cauliflower.
Yeah.
Broccoli turns into cauliflower?
No, it's not.
It turn into a flower?
No.
What do they turn into when they grow up?
Sa broccoli.
They grow to a big broccoli like this fat boy.
Dami kong nakain na. Ayan, oh. Tawag nito. Chives. Yan. Mas marami akong nakain ng chives kaysa yung crab. Isa lang yung kinain kong crab. Bukas naman yung isa. Yung allergy natin. Mamaya. Lalabas na.